What is up, guys? Welcome to the video. We are in Tabernan village for a dirt bike trip. It's been raining last night, so it's going to be muddy on the track. It's going to be crazy. I'm looking forward to it. And Panda is going to hit you with a sick edit in 3, 2, 1. We are, I think, halfway through the adventure. It's been pretty freaking full on, especially through like that muddy wet patches where if the mud gets on the tread here, you basically just start sliding like ice skates. So we haven't come off yet. Nick hasn't come off yet either, but there was a couple of touch and go moments. These other boys are just wild. They're smoking a cigarette with one hand while they're sort of drifting through the mud. It's crazy, but super fun. We're just having a water break. The boys are having their 18th cigarette for the hour, and then we are going to get on with the journey and supposedly going to go find a waterfall that's hidden out somewhere here. We can't get to by car or anything like that, so we are deep in the jungle here. Like there's no roads or anything like that. Oh, yeah. Thank you. We have, what's this? We're gonna try it. Singapore fruit. Haven't heard of that one. Singapore fruit. Not my favourite fruit.
Not the best fruit I've tried, but it is the best fruit I've tried today. Yeah.
Finish up the ride. Hopefully we'll catch you at the waterfall if we find that bad boy.
Don't press front brake, yeah?
Look at this, bro. The GoPro, calm down. Yeah.
This is Bali. Bali first aid.
The bit in, yeah.
You just got that from a tree?
Yeah. Banana tree.
Banana.
Yeah.
A little bit of blood. We just closed that. And it didn't happen. not actually that bad.
Yeah, you got a new tattoo.
Yeah, new tattoo. It's a memory. Me and my friends made in Bali. That is a wrap for the dirt bike adventure. I am freaking smoked. I got picked up at 6:30 this morning and it is 2 o'clock now. So we were riding for close to 5 hours. We did take some hits and bruises along the way, but call them war wounds. Small price to pay for a freaking awesome day. I do have a wild headache from where I cracked my head on the floor. I think I've like burst a blood vessel or something because my eye's pretty bloodshot, but I'll get my knee cleaned up. It's nothing too bad. But we are gonna go get cleaned up. We're gonna have some Indonesian food for lunch because we haven't eaten in I think close to 5 hours, so we are losing the gains at a rapid rate. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me get flattened on my ass. I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Alrighty, so we got Indo Coast dirt bike lunch going down. What do we have in here, Nyoman?
Satay
Satay.
that we call babi guling.
Babi guling. So suckling pig.
Yeah, suckling pig.
So we got a little triangle of rice. Is this tempeh? Fried tempeh?
No, that's skin
Skin. Just the skin of the suckling pig.
from the pig.
Like pork crackling.
Yeah.
And then some little pork skewers with a bunch of veggies. It's actually surprising.
Very delicious.
It is very delicious and it's very fat delicious as well. A little bit too much fat for me, so I'm not going to eat it as much as I want to. I'll hold off and eat something. And then for dessert, the boys have the pisang goreng, fried banana. So we basically got every level of the healthy food pyramid going on here. A little bit of fruit, dessert, high protein, moderate carb, just an extraordinary amount of fat. That's the only problem. So that is going to be a wrap for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me get put on my hole. I certainly had a fun day. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, would really appreciate it if you could subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.